Today, maintaining an older Cartier watch, the movement has started to rust. Disassembling the automatic rotor. Remove the crown. Traceless disassembly pointer. We can find that the order pointer on the dial is rusty. Remove the movement balance wheel. Manual cleaning of movement parts. Machine deep cleaning of movement parts. Install the mainspring. Install the gear train. Apply specialized lubricant. Check the transmission condition. Check the transmission condition. Traceless installation pointer. Cosmetic care and polishing. Okay, the timekeeping test is very accurate.